Hello, friends. In this video, you will learn English phrasal verbs. Let's get started.
Topic: toddler daily routine.
Wake up, meaning to stop sleeping and become conscious. Example, every morning my toddler wakes up with a big smile on his face. Get up, meaning to leave bed after sleeping. Example, after waking up my toddler gets up and stretches his arms. Brush teeth, meaning to clean teeth using a toothbrush. Example, we brush teeth together every morning to keep them healthy. Wash face, meaning to clean one's face with water and soap. Example, toddler washes his face to freshen up in the morning. Comb hair, meaning to untangle and arrange hair using a comb. Example, I comb my toddler's hair before we head out. Get dressed, meaning to put on clothes. Example, it's time to get dressed for preschool, sweetheart. Eat breakfast, meaning to consume food in the morning. Example, my toddler loves to eat breakfast with his favorite cereal and milk.
Drink milk, meaning to consume liquid nourishment. Example, after breakfast, my toddler drinks milk to grow strong and healthy. Pack lunch, meaning to prepare food for later consumption. Example, I pack my toddler's lunchbox with sandwiches and fruit for preschool. Change diaper, meaning to remove and replace a baby's diaper. Example, Dad changes the baby's diaper before leaving for work. Put on clothes, meaning to dress oneself or another person. Example, Mom helps the toddler put on his shirt and pants. Take off clothes, meaning to remove clothing. Example, after playing outside, the toddler takes off his muddy clothes. Play with toys, meaning to engage in recreational activities with toys. Example, the toddler loves to play with his stuffed animals. Read book, meaning to look at and understand the words in a book. Example, before bedtime, Mom reads a storybook to the toddler. Go to daycare, meaning to attend a facility where children are cared for during the day. Example, every weekday morning the toddler goes to daycare while Mom goes to work. Come home, meaning to return to one's residence. Example, Dad comes home from work in the evening. Take a bath, meaning to clean oneself by immersing in water. Example, the toddler takes a bath with his rubber duckies. Go to bed, meaning to get into a bed to sleep. Example, after brushing his teeth, the toddler goes to bed. Go to school, meaning to attend an educational institution. Example, the toddler goes to preschool every weekday morning. Have lunch, meaning to consume food in the middle of the day. Example, the toddler has lunch with his classmates at school. Take a nap, meaning to sleep for a short period during the day. Example, after lunch, the toddler takes a nap in his crib. Eat snacks, meaning to consume light food between meals. Example, the toddler eats snacks like crackers and cheese in the afternoon. Go for a walk, meaning to take a stroll outside. Example, Mom and the toddler go for a walk in the park every evening. Run around, meaning to move quickly in a playful manner. Example, the toddler runs around the backyard with his friends. Jump up and down, meaning to leap upward and then downward repeatedly. Example, the kids are having a blast jumping on the trampoline in the backyard. Climb stairs, meaning to ascend steps. Example, the toddler learns to climb stairs with the help of his parents. Slide down, meaning to move downward along a smooth surface. Example, the toddler slides down the playground slide with a big smile. Swing back and forth, meaning to move rhythmically on a swing. Example, Dad pushes the toddler on the swing and he swings back and forth happily. Ride a bike, meaning to travel on a bicycle. Example, the toddler learns to ride a bike with training wheels. Play hide and seek, meaning to engage in a game in which one hides and others seek. Example, the toddler loves to play hide and seek with his siblings. Watch cartoons, meaning to view animated television programs. Example, the toddler watches cartoons on TV every Saturday morning. Listen to music, meaning to hear and enjoy musical sounds. Example, mom sings lullabies to the toddler while he listens to music. Dance around, meaning to move rhythmically in a lively manner. Example, the toddler dances around the living room to his favorite song. Share toys, meaning to allow others to use one's toys. Example, the toddler learns to share toys with his friends at playdates. Give a hug, meaning to embrace someone tightly as a gesture of affection. Example, the toddler gives her horse a big hug when she's riding. Give a kiss, meaning to touch someone with one's lips as a sign of love or greeting. Example, the toddler gives his mom a kiss before bedtime. Blow kisses, meaning to make a gesture of sending affection by kissing one's hand and blowing it outward. Example, the toddler blows kisses to his mom before she leaves for work. Hold hands, meaning to grasp someone's hand with one's own. Example, the toddler holds hands with his sibling while walking in the park. Give a high five, meaning to slap palms together as a form of greeting or celebration. Example, the toddler gives his brother a high five. Take a stroll, meaning to walk leisurely and enjoy the surroundings. Example, Dad took a leisurely stroll with his dog in the park, enjoying the fresh air and sunshine. Sit down, meaning to lower oneself into a sitting position. Example, the toddler sits down at the table for dinner with his family. Stand up, meaning to rise from a seated or lying position. Example, the toddler stands up when he hears his favorite song playing. Go potty, meaning to use the toilet for urination or defecation. Example, the toddler learns to go potty on his own using a training toilet. Wash hands, meaning to cleanse one's hands using water and soap. Example, mom reminds the toddler to wash his hands before meals. Dry off, meaning to remove moisture or water from the body using a towel. Example, Dad helps the toddler dry off after his bath. Put away toys, meaning to tidy up and store toys in their designated place. Example, the toddler puts away his toys in the toy box before bedtime. Pack up, meaning to organize and put belongings into a bag or container. Example, mom helps the toddler pack up his backpack for daycare. Unpack, meaning to remove items from a bag or container. Example, the toddler unpacks his lunchbox when he arrives at daycare. Zip up, meaning to fasten or close something using a zipper. Example, the toddler learns to zip up his jacket before going outside. Button up, meaning to fasten clothing using buttons. Example, Dad buttons up his shirt before going to church. Snap on, meaning to attach something quickly using snaps or fasteners. Example, the toddler snaps on his bib before eating. Zip open, meaning to open something by pulling a zipper. Example, the toddler zips open his backpack to take out his snack. Cuddle up, meaning to snuggle closely for warmth or affection. Example, the toddler cuddles up with his favorite toy. Tuck in, meaning to make someone comfortable in bed by arranging covers around them. Example, mom tucks in the toddler and kisses him goodnight. Get out of bed, meaning to leave the bed after waking up. Example, the toddler gets out of bed with a yawn and stretches. Help with chores, meaning to assist in household tasks or duties. Example, the toddler helps with chores by putting his toys away. Fold clothes, meaning to neatly arrange and fold clothing items. Example, mom teaches the toddler how to fold his clothes after laundry.
Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.